What if your dream luxury car build showed up here today and got judged honestly? Would it be a clean flex or a total fail? And after seeing it through my eyes, what would you change? Today, I am reacting to subscriber luxury cars and dream builds to break down what actually works, what does not, and what truly separates an average build from a standout one. Why its impertential builds reveal real mistakes. Watching others can save you thousands before you spend serious money on your own project. What to consider every great build starts with balance. Design choices, performance goals, realistic budgets, and long-term ownership costs all matter. How to use properly your car should fit your lifestyle and driving habits, not just social media trends. Maintenance and care. Luxury cars demand consistent maintenance, quality parts, and proper care to stay reliable and valuable. Common mistakes to avoid: overbuilding without a plan, ignoring maintenance costs, and focusing only on looks instead of performance and usability. Step-by-step guide. Start with the right base car, define a clear goal, set a realistic budget, and build in smart stages. Cost comparison. Stock versus modified ownership costs can be very different, and many people underestimate that gap. Real-life experiment. Look beyond garage photos and compare these builds to real-world driving conditions. Quick tips: keep the build clean, keep it balanced, and upgrade with a clear purpose. Final thought: best dream build is the one that makes you happy every time you drive it, not just the one that gets likes.